Welcome to another episode of the Buchanan Technologies podcast. Today, we are talking about the steps involved in creating a comprehensive network security plan. With cybercrime projected to cost the world $10.5 trillion annually by 2025, it's clear that robust network security isn't just advisable, it's indispensable. Understanding the stakes is the first step. A security breach can lead to devastating data loss, financial strain, and damage to your company's reputation. Your network security plan acts as the first line of defense. Start by assessing your current security measures. Identifying vulnerabilities early is crucial, as the average time to detect a breach was 207 days in 2020. A network security plan must be customized to fit your organization's unique needs. Key sections include developing a security policy, assessing risks, reviewing network architecture, and ensuring data protection. It's also vital to manage access control, prevent threats, prepare for incidents, train employees, comply with legal standards, and continuously monitor and review your security measures. Implementing network security is a blend of strategic planning, resource allocation, and continuous monitoring. Crafting a compelling network security proposal is critical for securing stakeholder buy-in. Highlight the benefits and potential return on investment to garner the necessary support and resources. Remember, regular updates to your network security plan are essential to keep pace with rapidly evolving cyber threats. Investing in employee training can significantly reduce the risk of breaches, as human error plays a role in 95% of cybersecurity incidents. Also, ensure you have a reliable backup strategy to mitigate the impact of potential breaches. For those looking to fortify their digital defenses, read the full article on Buchanan Technologies' website for a deep dive into creating a comprehensive network security plan. And don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist to stay updated on the latest in technology solutions.